Hey everyone, greetings. I'm Marina Ormes, the founder of Astrology Heals at astrologyheals.com. Today is Monday, June 6th, 2022, and I just wanted to give you a little insight into the vibe of the day so that you can make the most out of your day and think about things in a way that is empowering. So today the moon is in Virgo. When the moon is in Virgo, Virgo's an earth sign, and it's a perfect time for attending to details. It's a good time to think about how to best support yourself, how to get things organized or arranged, or do some of the like behind the scenes work that's going to help things move more smoothly and efficiently. It's a good time for corrections, editing, proofreading, going over things with a fine-tooth comb. It's a good time to think about the details of things and to put the effort in to making them really good. And when you think about Virgo, Virgo is the opposite of Pisces. So the Virgo Pisces axis gives us this dynamic between earth and spirit. So Pisces is more spiritual, Virgo is more earthy, and Virgo shows how we make things beautiful here on earth, how we attend to the details, because that spiritual that bigger picture of what is spiritual and what moves us on that bigger picture level, how our hearts need to flow and move, and how that's getting expressed through the details of our lives. And so it's very physical. Virgo is very practical, but it's attending to the details of our lives so that we can embody this unconditional love, this bigger picture of spirit. And so it's really ultimately a way of being of service to your bigger self, to the world, and to love itself is to attend to details on the earth plane. So when you are cooking, when you are cleaning, when you are making things, when you are fixing things, all of those activities are very mundane and practical, but we are infusing them with our caring, our love, a bigger picture of how things are moving and flowing through us and through the actions that we do with our hands, with our bodies, with our minds, and how we bring perfection into the details that we're attending to. So when you're cooking, like if you're just slapping it all together, it tastes different than if you've truly put love and care into every step, allowed the flavors to fully develop. That's the difference. So Virgo is actually asking us to take that extra time, to put in that extra effort, to attend to the details, to make things more beautiful and more expressive of that bigger picture of spirit and unconditional love, and how we share that through the services that we do and the way that we can be of service to others. So that's today with the moon in Virgo, and tomorrow is the first quarter, meaning that the moon is moving away from the sun from when it was new and they were together. And we have the moon waxing now and moving away toward the full moon. And as we are in this waxing phase, we are in the phase of visioning the future, glimpsing possibility, imagining how things might unfold or manifest as we set our intentions at the new moon. So we've got that first quarter coming up tomorrow morning, and that first quarter is where we get challenged to put things into action through the ways that we make choices in the world. So I'll be back tomorrow to talk to you about the Virgo first quarter, and we're continuing to live out the themes that I talked about yesterday when I went into greater depth about the Mercury-Saturn square that's happening right now, the changing directions, Mercury now going direct, starting to get some traction as we move forward and start to see things be able to be communicated a little more easily as time goes on. Saturn, meanwhile, is going retrograde, taking us internally as we work on our structures, our systems, our ways of organizing things, our foundations, and getting clear about what's important to us. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more of these videos, hit subscribe. I really appreciate your interest, and you can learn more about me and what I have to offer at astrologyheals.com. Love to be able to share more with you. See you next time. Bye for now.